Gordon, say hello, Mum.
Hi, Mum.
Hi, Mum. Say hello, Mum. Hi, Mum.
Well,
Hands up who's jealous of my jacket.
I might just sport. Makes a change from a poncho, doesn't it?
Yeah. Poncho coming through. That's funny, isn't it?
Clear space, dead poncho
ready?
coming
Are you
through.
sniping today, old boy?
Yeah, considering it got fixed yesterday.
Oh, right.
Trigger block went.
Oh, dear. Let's do this. Darren is a bit hasty there, my friend.
I'm running.
Yeah,
I'm running.
You got to get a bit warm.
We go this way.
Yeah, go this way. Hey?
That looks suspiciously like we're getting the grass on there.
Shit. Bricks.
They're going to be over here, yeah, because they're going to be over by that front house, aren't they?
Yeah. Here we go then, gents. Right, I've got eyes. Main building, back of main building. Let's go to the main building, gents. Come on. See if we can get over there, Daz. Well played, mate. He ran into cover and he's probably watching us at that little mesh bit. Go on. Oh, yeah, mate. Right.
Red armband in the main building.
Yeah, he's at, you see, you know the little hut next to the main building?
Yeah, the shed.
There's a guy in there. You saw him run across a minute ago. He's still in there.
What's the colouring?
He's still in there.
Red on the side of
Not sure, Matt. There they are. Yeah, go on. As they're all behind the greenhouse as well, and some in there, mate. So, what do you reckon? Yeah, go on. I'll cover you. Go. Right, Darren, we're pushing across. You see Ricky run across. I'm following. Yeah. Shield at the back of the main building. I cannot feel my frickin' hands. There's a load of hit. Shot. Got him. The wind took that, baby. Yeah. The wind, Jesus, the range. I love wind behind my BB. Can't feel my hands, eh? Can't feel my hands, gonna sing a song. What? Watch out behind that caravan! Hit! Shot! Can you see him? Can you see him what I'm saying? Yeah.
The scope's not dialed in, so it's just going all over the fucking place, isn't it?
I'm not sure if I'm hitting trees. Here he's firing back now. Well, I can't see shit out of the scope. They're just dropping short on me. Cover me, I'm going to get to the bins.
Yeah, he's falling short anyway. He's falling
Yeah,
quite a lot short.
exactly.
You're closer to getting to him than what he's.
Yeah,
I'll let you down some cover.
definitely.
You want?
Played! Matt.
Yeah.
Got him, he's down. Played, mate.
Sniper!
Sniper, shit. Move position if you can once you've shot. Here they come, here they come. Yeah. Dude. Right, you're gonna have to cover me. Right, Daz, that first pig pen, come into the woodlands and then walk all the way up on the edge of the grasslands, you'll see us. Yeah, Daz, head straight left now and then you'll see us in the bunker to your left. Yeah, sweet. Right, we're going to push it in a minute. You got eyes, who I spotted. You... Darren, yo, they're in the sort of your 12 o'clock, mate.
You going over?
Yeah, I'm a bit lazy though, I don't want to get a wet ass on this. Right, fuck it.
Down it already.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry mate. Oh, wet ass, wet ass! When you're ready, Matt. I'm going to push forward to that next bungle, what are you thinking?
That one?
Right, there they come, they're all coming to the... This is right on the edge of them.
Yeah, see if you can push up 10 yards.
Yeah. You're going to cover me?
Yeah.
Hold on. Daz, I'm pushing up to the next bunker. You got cover, yeah? Right, I'm going. Well played. Yo. Yeah, come. Oi, shield man, shield guy. Watch your left. I'm gonna go get him.
I'll stay here.
He's a sniper, so he needs to get behind him. Alright, he's seen us. Our position's now given away, yeah? Yeah, get him, mate, because we're giving away. Well played, mate. Good effort. He's down. Daz clear.
Another one coming in. Another one man in.
Where?
Another one man in.
Right, dude, follow me. Ah, spike! Shit. Darren, come over. Matt, come over. This is not much further. This is a sweet position while they come.
Yeah, there's eyes ahead. He's retreating.
Get him, we've got a lovely hold position here.
Hit!
Well played, Dad.
Trying to sneak it.
Hey! Played! I've got to get out of here now. Dead player! Where?
Him here? Yeah, take him down. He's annoying me now.
Has anyone seen Sam? I can't see him, he's got this new camo.
Wanking, there's guys moving to our left, they're coming to the gap.
Oh yeah, I see, he's just there, literally. Literally there, gents.
Might actually be a fellow sniper.
Jesus, that was close.
Daddy wants to shoot you in the
Gotcha. Haha, wicked. Well played, mate.
One here.
Someone got him. Coming down. He's only about.
I want to get back.
Here! Damn it. Play, gents. I'll be back.
I'll see you got 3 minutes, so you might not get there in time.
Actually, yeah, I'm going to call it a night. Whatever. I know, mate. I'm 40 now. Damn it. Yeah, got the slippers, mate. Dead player. Well played, Reds.
There's 3 behind that shed. Your next gun that will start.
Hello, Hazel. Yeah. I could have a cup of tea, please, with 2 sugars, if you would. You alright, Bex?
Yeah, I'm fine. Have you alright?
Good stuff. Yeah, not too bad. What is this tree line?
What if we go across there?
No, we're being shot at.
Hey?
Where? No, because they're there. We're open. As soon as we go past that bit, we're open now.
We've fucked onto the side then, what?
Yeah. Right, we've got to push them, mate. Otherwise, we are never getting them. Hey! Played. He's hiding behind that bush now. Marshall, we'll let you out the window. Cool. Excellent. Alright, yeah, of course. Played! Got him, he's down. Played. I'll get him. I'll sit him. Fuck it. Hit. Well played, gents. Who found it? Good man. Cheers, buddy. I owe you a cuppa. Well done, mate. Oh, it went out there. Good shot. Right, hold tight. Coming through. Right, coming through.
Shrub straight again.
Oh shit! Hey! Good shot! Where's Jay gone? Oh shit, there he is. The sniper! The top of this building here is a guy keeps poking his head out.
Yeah, watch the
Yo.
cube.
Nice, get with the shield. Come
Good
in.
on you, sunshine.
Is that dead? Got him, they're behind this second tree. Hit! Damn it. Cheers, dude. Oh well. Cheers, gents. What's your 1 o'clock as well, Ben? Seriously, I got nailed from there earlier. I ain't getting this little Cody hole. Alright, yeah. I'll try, he's still there, isn't he? Right, got eyes. Played. It's quiet. I've just seen 4 been hit and walked that way. I clocked 1, but Ben, they're all running across to get to the behind kill house. Yeah. Right, here we go, Pushing on it, mate. No, they've got eyes on me. Play. Cheers, buddy. Someone's red hood.
Sort of a tactical.
Yeah, alright, Matt.
Here they come.
Where? Oh, yeah. Go on, lads. Come in. Good shot, Matt. Watch out, head incoming. Shield guides in him. Shield butto. Ah, damn it, we got some. Well played. Well played, girls. Good effort. Alright, Ed. Well played, mate. Good effort.
Good game, boys.
Yeah. Bastard, we just... You want to take it way back and cover me if I try and get to the main building? They're stacking up at the door now, Jay. You got us, yeah? Matt? That was loud, wasn't it? Played.
Oh shit.
Hit! Watch out on the fire, like lads. I'm going off to the right. Hit! Cheers, buddy. I need a ghillie suit. Jay, where's Jay? I'm just going to hide behind him.
We've got blues in there, mate.
Let's go. Blue, yep.
Blues coming in.
Blue.
Is there anyone in the end room?
You got eyes up there, Ricky. 12 o'clock. Played, mate.
Got one! It's my baby. Right, 2 in the bunker head, stuck down. Is it broke? No. Dude, I used to.
I got my old man knee on today.
Yeah?
Yeah, fucking killing. Good effort, Rick.
Oh, incoming. Yeah, that's why I just sort of like stuck on this bush.
Yeah.
Gets me now is ricochet.
Yeah.
Unless it comes straight out of conservatory, but that's us.
Are we in there now?
Yeah,
Spot on.
That's us on it.
Good
We
lads.
haven't got it yet.
Okay.
We're in it.
Yeah, that's how we seem to be doing it.
Oh, I'm going to make beeline for that big tree next to
Yeah, go on, I'll cover you, mate. I'll cover you, because... Say when you're ready. Yeah. There we go, target over there. That guy just shot that guy in the window. Good call, dude. Good call. Shot. Hit!
It's coming in the conservatory!
Yeah, turn the back.
So you like it,
Hey?
So you like it, innit? Turn the
I haven't really used it efficiently today.
It's running low on juice.
That's not fucking bad, right? Well, that's weight, isn't it?
It's quite chunky.
Chunky monkey. Shot, dude.
Nice shooting, my man. Right, we go.
Alright,
Yeah, you want to take my rifle off?
go on.
Got him?
Yeah.
All the ones that side,
Our enemy?
pretty much no, we're all friendly.
Yeah.
Majority of them are our bank.
Right.
Ask him then. Do you want to go and support him a little bit?
Yeah, come on, mate. I'll be going slow though, because I'm old man now.
Need help up the... Bounce off me if you need to.
Yeah, cheers, buddy.
Might as well.
On it, yeah. See there, let's Sam. You're one, mate. Oh, right, fuck it. If I sit down, I'll be alright. This just there, look, to your one. I think he's got him. He's pushing up nicely, look.
I ain't got range on.
And yeah. No, too windy, innit?
There as well. So if we can get in, we can grab another two.
I'll cover if you like. I can't run now because I've fooped my knee.
Where is it?
He's there, look, just
in where
there.
the blue barrels are, yeah.
There's a guy just there, buddy. Stu.
You're steady on my shoulder.
It's fine.
It's just so see, my scope's not dialed in.
Sort of a guess, isn't it? Play, mate.
Hello. I'm going to push up a little bit with the other bank and try and grab some of that cash.
Go on then, get to that wall, I'll cover if you like.
Push up a bit.
Yeah, come on. I'm going to get behind that tin, you come in. And then you cover me. Well, good shot, mate. Well played, buddy. Yeah, go on.